Hello, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller if it's simply just not working or it's not connecting. So what you want to do with your controller, like turned on, just flip it around, and there's going to be a small reset hole right here that you can place a toothpick in. And just hold this down for about 5 seconds. Now you can see my controller just turned off. And then what I want to do after resetting it is press the PlayStation button and see if I can get it to reconnect now. Then if it doesn't reconnect, you want to try just a USB cable, just like this, and plug it into the front of your PlayStation. Now when you plug it in initially, it's just going to charge. So you want to press the PlayStation button like 2 or 3 times until it goes blue. So you can see my controller is connected. Now if this still doesn't work, go up to the top using like your TV remote or a second controller, so this second controller, and then go up to the top. So let's log in with my second controller, go to settings, go on down to devices, then go to Bluetooth devices. Now go to your DualShock 4 controller, select it, then press options under this screen, and we can forget the device. And then go to OK. Now it's not connected to my PS4, it was forgot. And we can go to my PlayStation 4 controller. We can hold down the share button and the Bluetooth pairing button, and then hold both these down and my controller light will blink. Then it should show up under this list. Let's use our TV remote or our controller. Go to DualShock 4, select it, and pair it. And then you can sign in with another account here, or the first account, and I have it reconnected. So this is the ultimate way of resetting it, forgetting it, and then re-adding it. If it still doesn't work, use that controller cable right here. Press the PlayStation button a few times, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.